2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, heated steering wheel, trip computer, compass, bed liner, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.